Hi everybody, this is another video from Saqib Digital, and in this video we will learn about how to create a blue background photo for your passport or visa. So first of all, I search on blue background photo whose size is 435. Here it is, passport white background and passport blue background, which is 35 cross 50 mm. There are multiple standards out there. Here is also another dimensions. Here it is 2 cross 2 inches, which is 51 cross 51 mm. So I'm using this size. Whatever size you have in your country or according to the standards, you can easily create in Canva. Right now I am in the home screen of Canva, and here you can find of what you will design. There are two buttons, custom size button and upload button. I click on custom size button and I click on the pixels. I convert these pixels into inch, then write 2 width cross 2 height inch, and then I click on create a new design. It will open a new design for me, so which is 2 cross 2 inch. The ratio will be same, that is 1:1, the same height and the same width. So the very next step is I have to change the background of this my design. So first I have to wait until it is fully loaded. Yes, it is fully loaded. You can check the progress here. It is safe on the cloud, so I can work on it. Either it is not in here but in here. Okay, first of all I click on my design and then on its color. So what is the blue background color? I again go to Google, and the Chrome extension I am using, whose name is ColorZilla. I will give its link in my description. So what I use it, I have to click on ColorZilla and click on page color picker active, and now I can pick any color from this page. So I pick this color. It copies the hexa value on my clipboard, and I go to my design, paste that color by Control plus V from my keyboard. By pressing this color, the background is easily changed. Now I need a photo, so I go to the photos tab and a simple search, for example man. So I could easily find a number of photos here. I simply click on the first one, and then I have to remove the background, but there's a tip that before removing background I have to adjust its size according to my page. Okay, then I click on this and I slightly move downward my photo. So now it is perfect. Now I click on my photo and I go to edit image. I click on background remover in the Canva. The background remover is a pro is available for the pro users, but you can also do this in free version, but you have to use another website name as remove.bg. I have also another video you can go and watch. So yeah, with one single click the background of this photo is removed. Then I click on applied and I close this tab. So yes, this is how it is done. The background photo with the blue background photo is ready for your passport for visa. The size can be adjusted later on by using the resize button, but resize button is also available for the pro users. So it's very pretty simple, and today's video I have to say only this. So like, subscribe, share, and you can also create a Canva account using my link in the description. So see you in the next video. Till then, take care of you. Bye bye.